In this video, you're going to learn how to create a copy of an angle using our construction tools, which are a straight edge and a compass. So to create the copy of the angle that we have here, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to draw a ray. So the ray can be any length, it can go in any direction, because what we are trying to copy is the measure of the angle. So I'm going to draw a ray, and you want to use your straight edge to do this. So just line your straight edge up and use the side of it to create your ray. Since I have computer magic, I can draw straight lines using my straight line setting, but just line up your straight edge and create your ray. Remember that rays have arrows at one end. So we have an end point and we have an arrow. So now that we have our ray drawn, we're going to use our compass and we're going to draw an arc in the original angle using our compass, and it can be any length here. So it doesn't matter what your setting is. We're just going to draw an arc on the original angle. And with that same setting that we just did, because we want to keep that length, we're just going to move our compass over to the other endpoint of our ray, and we're going to create that same arc just on our new ray. So what we're doing is we want to measure how far it is at this same length. So we use this same length, and we want to see how big the opening of the angle is. So if I want to figure out how big the opening is, I measure it using my compass. So to measure using your compass, you leave the point where it intersects your first ray, and we're just going to open it up to where it's the same distance where it intersects the other one. So look in here. Now I have this length so that it's intersecting that other ray. So once I have this length set on my compass, I just move my compass over to the other line, and I want to put the point back on the intersection of our arc and our ray, and then I want to create this arc so that it crosses, and that way it shows me how far these openings are apart. So it should be the same on both of these. So to get the rest of this angle that we've drawn, we are going to put the point of the compass, we're going to put our straight edge at the point of the ray. We're going to open it up so that it goes through the ray, the end of the ray, and then it also is going to go to the intersection of those two arcs that we've created. So using my straight edge, I'm going to draw this line, and I want to create it so that it opens up to that same measure. So now we've copied this angle using our straight edge and compass. So let's verify and make sure that these are the same angle measure. Using our protractor, we're going to put the middle at the vertex of the angle, and then we can use this to figure out what the degree is. So it looks like it's right about 133 degrees. Let's move this over to our other angle, and notice that it is the same. So we line up that part of our protractor with the vertex of the angle, and those angle measures are exactly the same. So we've copied this angle with only a compass and a straight edge.